that's me fighting the urge to get right back in bed. My day starts super early, y'all. Even when my bed was clearly calling my name there, I had to get up, all right? So what I do is I get up and look out the window to see what the weather is doing today. In my city, we could go from summer to winter to fall to spring all in one day. So I don't even rely on the weather channel anymore. I just pick out the window to see if it's snowing or not. Anyway, the way to get my day really started is to make the bed. Yes, I'm in a different bedroom today. I'm actually in the guest bedroom, but that's a story for another day. Anyway, the bed is made. I'm gonna go take a peek at Nadia and see what she's doing. It's pretty early, so she's probably, yep, she's still sleeping. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sneak off and do my morning routine before she gets up. Does anybody else's kid follow them around all day, every day? I think this is a new stage for Nadia. She did that when she was much younger, and then she had a stage where she didn't really want to be bothered, and then now she's back. So she'll follow me all day, every day, and do exactly what I'm doing. So when she's asleep like this is my favorite time to just do me. All right, y'all, my shower is done. Skincare is done. I'm just spraying some rose water from La Roche-Posay on my face. And then I'm putting some of our aloe vera hair growth oil on my edges. I do this every single morning. And I also apply it to my scalp depending on what kind of hairstyle I have. So that's what I'm doing there. This is an essential part of my morning routine. And then I go ahead and moisturize my lips before we get the makeup process started. First thing first, I'm going to be choosing a very, very comfortable outfit to wear today because it's a big day. We're going to be shipping orders. It is a very big day, and y'all know I work from home, so I like to be comfortable. Most times I'm wearing matching sets. But yeah, that's the shoes we're going to be wearing. So yeah, let's go ahead and put on a little bit of makeup so I don't look so tired, because when I tell you I stayed up all night last night, I kept getting alerts on my phone about the orders that were coming in, and for some reason I was too lazy to turn off the I guess volume on my phone. Anyway, makeup is done. We just did something quick and simple, and yeah, now I look like human. Look who's up and watching cartoon. Hi, Scuba. Stand up. Are you gonna wear this jacket?
Yes.
Show your shirt. It says best. What does it say?
Best day ever.
Best day ever. Kisses. That's the hair and the makeup. Pretty simple. Let's go downstairs, y'all. Are you gonna come ship the orders with me?
Yes.
Your hair needs done. Let me see. Your hair is ready to be done. All right, I'm gonna go clean up a little bit and then we can go, okay? All right, y'all. So first thing I do in the morning is make me a cup of coffee or tea. It just depends on the day. I don't have to have coffee, but I've actually been trying something new. I'm going to talk to you guys more about that, and I really, really like it. It kind of replaces coffee, but it's so much more healthier, gives you a lot more energy, and it's just better for you. So I'll talk to you guys about that in a little bit. But Nadia is all dressed up. She's ready to leave the house. But I'm like, girl, we still have to pack the order. So let's put this away for now until we're ready. So anyway, I had to head back upstairs because I got a call from Vistaprint. That is the company that actually does my label. And I'm trying to get a bigger size of the oil because a lot of you have been requesting that. So yes, I was on the phone with them and we're trying to work on it, y'all. And also, I always apply the oil on Nadia's hair as well, every single morning. She really enjoys it, and it's part of her morning routine as well. She likes the tingling feeling that the oil gives on your scalp. Every time I apply the oil, she tells me to rub it in, and that's like her favorite part. That feels good, right?
Right. That feels so good.
I know.
That feels so good.
Does it smell good?
Yes.
Yeah, you love the smell too. Well, guess what? It's time to redo your hair, Mama.
No.
You're not ready to redo your hair?
No.
All right, we'll let it go for maybe 2-3 more days, but it's gonna be time to do your hair.
Oh, no. I don't want to do my hair.
Okay, we won't do your hair. Are you happy?
Yes.
Are you ready to go ship the orders?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure? I love you.
I like you so much.
I love you so much.
No, I love you so much.
No, I love you so much.
No, I love you so much.
All right, family, let's go ahead and make my coffee. I told you guys when Nadia wakes up, she kind of takes over the show. She becomes the boss, and I'm like the assistant, and I have to do what she wants to do, and before I can do the things that I need to do. All right, we made it here. This is my little packing station. Well, this is my workstation. It's not just for packing. This is where I also process the order, create the oil, label. This is where I do everything. It's a nice little comfortable place, nice and clean, and I can think when I'm here. I do want to deck this whole place out, and I'll be doing that with you guys. I want to create like a little shop that makes me feel like I'm in a, like an actual shop when I'm working down here, but we'll get there. Little Miss Nadia is here. She's going to help me out. Nadia has been a big help, y'all, and you guys are going to get to see that. Nadia is not a baby anymore. She is an actual big girl now. Yes, she acts like a baby sometimes when she wants to, like right now. But when it really comes to it, she is really, really helpful, and I'm going to show you guys. All right, so I'm super excited doing my little dance. We are about to pack these orders. When I tell you we got a lot of orders, I'm so happy and I'm so thankful to you guys. And it just warms my heart the way you guys have been supporting me throughout the years. We have been in business for about 4 years now, and the love, the support, the consistency is still the same. And when I tell you, it means so much to me. It means a lot to me. But yeah, this is what the setup looks like. We are about to bust out these orders and get it going. All right, so let's get started here. So what we're doing today is we're going to fulfill all of the orders, and then we're going to take it to the post office to make sure it gets shipped out. I swear the only thing more satisfying than a good product is shipping out to happy customers. And I'm telling you, I have customers all over the world. I have customers in the UK, Australia, Africa, South Africa, France, Saudi Arabia, like every single where in the world. And this makes me so happy. By the way, I'm covering it because I don't want to put out my customers' information. But yeah, it's so exciting when I get an order from a different country, different city, different state. It just warms my heart to, it makes me feel happy to know that I'm touching people, not just where I am, not just in my city, in my state, in my country, but all over the world. That is so amazing. So yeah, family, this is how I do it. I grab the package, grab the order, however many my customer orders. I place it in the poly mailer, place the label on the poly mailer, and then wrap it up, and it's ready to go. And this is how you guys receive it. Another thing that really gets me is I take such good care of the package. I want to make sure that it's clean, everything is organized, and then you take it to the post office and they just throw things around. But I'm super happy and super grateful that you guys always get the package in good shape. The packaging and, the way we package it is sufficient to protect the oil, regardless of where it's going. So I'm happy about that. But yeah, we have a whole box full. Let's keep going, y'all. This is so exciting, y'all. It's really, really exciting. If you're a small business owner, you know this feeling. Whenever you get that little notification on your phone, it just, it warms your heart. Anyway, that was the last package. We're done, y'all. We are done. Again, I'm covering because I don't want to show customer information, but we have boxes, not just one box or like 5 little orders, boxes. And I appreciate every single person that placed an order with me. Every single person is a person. Every single order means so much because I know that there is somebody behind that order, and the return customer, just everything makes me so happy. So anyway, this is what we got. This is the order, y'all. It is a lot. When I say a lot, it's a lot. So what I like to do is I like to bring it upstairs, spread it out, make sure that I double, triple, quadruple check, make sure that I have fulfilled every single order, and also make sure that everyone who order has the exact amount of order that they order, if that makes sense. So when I do that, then I go ahead and place it in either a box, a carrier, or a bag like this. The bags are much easier to carry the oil to the car and to the post office. I've tried many different things, but I feel like the bags are the best ways to do it. And it just makes my life so much easier. So I go ahead and put it in the bags. And again, as I'm doing that, I'm triple checking, multiple checking to make sure that, again, everything is correct. I do my best to make sure that I do quality control. That means that the oil smells amazing. It looks amazing before it gets in the bottle. The bottles are well sanitized. And after that, the wrapping, we make sure that we protect it. And also, when we put it in the little packaging, we make sure that, again, it's well sealed. Everything is protected before it leaves the house. Nothing leaves this house if it doesn't pass the quality control test. Otherwise, I have to rip open the whole thing, start all over, and make sure that, again, we have the best of the best product leaving the house. Because I do want my customers to get their product feeling happy and excited. And I don't want them to get it and say, what the heck happened? But yeah, anything that happens after it leaves my house, it is because the post office, they're a little bit rough. And, I don't completely blame them because they do have a lot going on too. However, I just do my best to make sure that before the oil leaves me, it is in the best of the best condition. It is packaged and handled with so much love so that even when my customers get it, they can feel the love through the package. So yeah, this is what the order looks like. So let's go ahead and load it in the truck. All right, please ignore the mess in there. Nadia has some artwork. I have some umbrellas, and yeah, it's a lot going on in there, but this is how I do it again. I grab all of the bags, put them in the trunk. And this is why I use the bags again, because I can fit a lot more versus if I used boxes. The boxes take up space versus the bag. I can just push stuff in and it fits perfectly fine. So let's get on the road. Nadia is coming with me and Grandma is coming with me as well. Grandma wanted to come and hang out with us. So we're all going to go to the post office. All right, we're off to the post office. The post office that I normally go to, actually, let's take a step back. I actually go to 2 post offices. One of them is a little further away from me. That is actually where my P.O. box is. And the other one is closer to me, but my P.O. box is not there. The reason I like to go to the one closer to me is because, of course, it's closer to me and it's more convenient because it's literally about 5 minutes away from my house and I can just drop off the order and know that the orders are gone. My customers get them in time and they're happy. However, the one furthest away from me is where my P.O. box is. And when I go to this one, this is usually when I have a lot of time to spare. But the reason I like going to that one too is because not only can I ship my orders there, I can also check my P.O. box. As you guys know, I work with brands, and a lot of times brands will send me PR packages, they'll send me gifts, and then some brands will also send me products to review for them. So all of that goes to my P.O. box. It doesn't come to my actual address. For safety reasons, of course. I don't want the whole world having my address. So anyway, those are the 2 offices. However, today we're going to the P.O. box. The post office that is closest to me. And again, it's about 5 minutes away. And I was trying to tell you guys something here, and I didn't realize that the phone was connected to CarPlay, so you guys couldn't hear anything. So I was just yapping. But I was telling you that Nadia was in the car. She was going to help me because she's a big girl, and that grandma's also in the car with us, and she's going to help. Grandma is a good camera woman when she is around, y'all. She does an amazing job being the camera woman, and you'll see that. You'll see some scenes with me and Nadia. That's all grandma. She has learned so much throughout this process of being a mama, of an influencer, and yeah, she's doing her thing. She's saying hi. So yeah, that's my little team for today. All right, we are at the U.S. Poster Office. I usually park right there, but somebody's already parked there, but I'm not too far. Walking distance, like steps away from the door. So I have a few bags that I have to take in, so I'll be doing that. But yep, it's park. All right, let's go. We're at the post office. I'm getting everything out. Again, the reason I like the bags is look how easy that is to carry. Easy to put in the car, easy to take out of the car. It just makes my life so much easier versus carrying those big old totes. My little helper is helping me. She she runs to the door and opens the door and holds it open so mommy can get in. And then there are double doors. So then she'll run past me and open the second door. She's something else. I cannot believe she's about to be 6, y'all. Nadia is about to be 6. If you are an OG, you know that Nadia was born on this channel. I started my channel before I was even pregnant with Nadia. Then I got pregnant. Then I had a difficult pregnancy. I walked you guys through the whole thing. Now she's here and she's almost 6. Can you believe it? This is crazy. But yeah, look at my little helper. She helps me out in so many ways. And this is the thing that you put the package in. It has to be held open and you put it in one by one. And it's gone. What you get from McDonald's?
Hamburger frappe.
Is that your favorite thing from McDonald's?
Yes.
What'd you get, Grandma? Grandma got a sandwich. We're on our way home. They got stuff to eat. I didn't get anything. I'm going to eat when I get home. I have something I already have prepared, so I'm going to eat when I get home. But yeah, all the errands are done. We can go home and relax. Can we go home and relax? Yay! You guys will not believe how many emails I get about the oil, the ingredients, how fast it works. Sometimes I really think I should do a Q&A, but what would be the fun in that? Anyway, we came back home. It's later on in the day. I'm getting ready to go work out because your girl is getting a little pudgy. All right. Shh, don't say anything. But Nadia wanted to do a photo shoot with her toy camera. I think she really thinks that camera is real because when I tell you, you see this? I have a whole supermodel, y'all. She makes me take her pictures and I have to do the poses just like her. And it's so much fun for her. She said, if I helped you film your video and package your orders, you have to help me with my photo shoot. And I said, say no more. All right, family, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much once again for all the love and support on my product. I love you guys so much. I don't take it for granted. If you haven't placed your order, please go ahead and do so now. I'll leave the link below and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you all again so much for watching. I love you and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.